All right. I've tried to work this with Meticulous so that I could show you while I played it, but I can't figure out how to make that work either with my video recording software, which I'm using now, or with Zoom. Every time I try to do it, I get the placements all wrong. In any case, I'm talking about the minor 7, flat 5, to the 5, 2, minor 7, flat 5, 5 altered to 1, 6, 9. So I'm in B flat minor. I'll go ahead and make, for the sake of easier comprehension, I'm going to move it to C. All right. The bass notes are D, G, and C. The chord in the top, this is an F minor. F, A flat, C. This could be called an F minor 7 flat 5. You could leave out one of the notes to make it a 7 sus sharp 4. Leave the A flat out and you've got result is kind of similar. And then if you do this would be E flat major 7 sus sharp 4. I like having the G in there as well. So you get this sound. With the other hand, it's a very rich quality. Now I thought, well, if you invert it to second inversion, you're going to get this. There's F minor triad in second inversion. C, F, and A flat. And here is F minor 7 flat 5 in second inversion. B natural, E flat, F, and A flat. And then C minor 6 in, what would be third inversion in this case. A, D, E flat, and G. C minor 6, 9. So. Or, I'll change one note just then. It sounds great with the left hand, obviously. Or, now to practice the left hand by itself, I decided to work the Spanish Phrygian the way Charlie Parker taught it to me years and years ago before I ever took this class. That's in B flat. Here it is in C minor. Basically, it's a C harmonic minor scale. In this case, Bert is starting on the second scale degree. Why? Because his first chord is D minor 7 flat 5, and he wants the sound of the root of the chord. And he winds up on the third of the C minor. He starts on the root of the D and ends up on the third of the G and the third of the C. So it's a really ingenious use of the scale. You could have gone any number of other ways at it, but that's the way I originally learned it. So then to practice it, and here's the other inversion. Through the keys, a lot of work.